Hello all. Here I am discussing subject electrical installation, maintenance and testing. And in this particular video, I am showing you a very important access for some of the uh, useful documents which are related with subject electrical installation, maintenance and testing. You are aware in our unit 5 we are discussing the concepts related with estimation and costing of electrical works. So this estimation and costing concept we have already seen, which is applicable not only to electrical works but to overall, you can say, uh, project works, construction sites. So civil is also a very important area where this estimation is required. Estimation is required for electrical projects, electrical works. Estimation is required for uh, your piping works. So MEP area, so mechanical, electrical, and plumbing uh, is a very vital area for any big project work. So here in this particular lecture, I'm showing you how to access one very important document which is useful for estimation work, which is called as schedule of rates. So let me discuss in a very short manner about schedule of rates. And it is very simple concept. So schedule of rates is nothing but the list of uh, components or a list of equipment, a list of material which you require for any project with some more details. Now these more details are nothing but the cost per unit uh, you have to incur, and this cost may be considered considering the amount of uh, labor you require or the amount of execution cost you require. So these things can be definitely included in this. And uh, you can understand at start it is very difficult to estimate about these costs, because uh, for some of the projects the references are not at all available. So this difficulty has been solved by uh, Government of India, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, Central Public Works Department. And the beauty of this CPWD is they have published, or they publish time to time, some guidelines which are very useful for construction works, which are very useful for civil works, which are very useful for electrical works, because any project you cannot isolate that as it is a civil or that is electrical work. For example, if you want to install a simple substation in electrical area, there is lot of civil work is also associated with. So here I am showing you how to refer these documents time to time. uh, you can go on the website of cpwd.gov.in. Here you can see the address of this web page, cpwd.gov.in. So after that you can go in documents, and you can see there there is a presence of cpwd publications. So now when you are having cpwd publications, here you can see these are of different categories. So there are some manuals available, not only from electrical area, majorly from civil area, uh, some guidelines. Then these are some general conditions for contract also. So the typically the short form is GCC. These all words which I am showing you, or all terms you are listening or understanding, are very important as far as any project work is concerned. So here plinth area rates. So this plinth is related with civil. So these are plinth area rates. Uh, for the area of Delhi, they have given this analysis. And now we come to our concept of schedule of rates. So schedule of rates, they have divided into different sections, like schedule of rates for civil works, schedule of rate for electrical works. Not only that, why you can refer this website, because there are some general specifications as a guideline given for different subsystems of electrical works. Like here you can observe they have given a substation specifications. They have given a fire detection and alarm system which comes under electrical works when you are going at any site. Uh, uh, they have given us guidelines for DG sets, uh, general electrical works, heating, ventilation and air conditioning, so HVAC, general specification for uh, electrical works which are related with uh, lifts or escalators. So our focus is on schedule of rates. So I'll again repeat, schedule of rate is nothing but the detailed document which gives you idea about rates of different material required for any electrical work. So here what I am doing, now here you can observe even they have given us uh, this schedule of rates for some upcoming or new technologies which are very much required nowadays for different application purposes like BLDC. So here you can have a schedule of rates for a BLDC. You are having schedule of rates for a thermal power, solar photovoltaic power plant, which is very important. So you can observe that as a item. So it's item wise list and its rate. So here what I am doing, I am downloading one schedule of rate for you, and after entering into the document, let's see what are the details required available. So here you can observe it's published by Government of India, Central Public Works Department, and this is typically a Delhi schedule of rates. Uh, in 2018, they have published this document. So I'll directly go on how this schedule of rates look like. So you can observe over here in contents, uh, you are having almost all components or almost all uh, equipment, almost all sub sections which are required for any successful project implementation. So this consists of wiring, our switchgear equipments like MCCBs, MCBs, rising mains or bus trunking, then cable trays are there, earthing, lightning conductor, MV cable, laying rates are also there, HT cable is also there, MV cable and jointing, so jointing and termination kits are there. You are having poles required for overhead lines, MV overhead line work rates are also there. Some miscellaneous civil items also which are a part of electrical work. Then lighting controls, illumination package for any project, very important. And then heating, ventilation and air conditioning. So only plumbing, ducting and air hauling unit, it's AHU. These rates are also there. Then fire detection and alarm system. So in appendix, you can observe they have given a basic rate for labor as well as higher charges and basic rate of material also. Now, why this is important document? Because if you refer this document, it will be very easy to estimate your overall estimation, overall your cost which is going to be there for your execution of project. So here you can observe there are typically 4 columns. There is a separate code for every item. So item number, then description is over there. Even if you read any description, you can understand. They have given all the necessary information to describe that particular electrical component. Like here you can observe wiring in steel and PVC conduit. So they have given every details related with wire, which is 1.5 square mm. FRLS is a type of wire. PVC, insulated copper conductor, single core cable in a surface recessed steel conduit. So this way, now here you can say under 1.1 there are some subgroups. 1.2 you are having different description. 1.3, so in this way, uh, in unit 1 you will definitely observe some uh, all wires. Then if you enter into uh, unit 2, it's a big list. When you enter into unit 2 you can understand your chapter of MCB and DB started. So here you can observe the rates of uh, some other components like switchgear components. So as per index, it will go on. So here the observation is uh, your unit they have given unit, and they have given the rate also. So you can definitely refer. There might be some change always in which unit they are typically using to express this amount. So this in this way, if you use this schedule of rates, it's a big document of almost 140 around pages, and you can see here that it's a very comprehensive list, which is definitely going to be useful for uh, your estimation work for your project. So my aim for this small video was to explain you what is the significance of schedule of rates. I'll again repeat, schedule of rates looks like the document which I am showing you. It is having some items which are required for your project work enlisted. They mention their unit, how to count that, and then what should be the rate of that. This is guideline. So this is not a compulsory, but this is guideline, and this can be definitely useful for individual contractors work even at national level as well as at state level. So you can definitely download these documents from CPWD website. I will again show you the address of that, cpwd.gov.in documents. Under that, under CPWD publication, n number of useful document for your subject electrical installation maintenance and testing are available. Thank you.